At the time your hinged or sliding door was manufactured, the lock was lubricated and tested. Depending on the usage and the environment, it is recommended to lubricate your lock at regular intervals to preserve the longevity and ease of use. A silicone-based spray is what we would recommend. There are several different brands, of which most are available at good hardware stores. Most silicone sprays are a dry-based lubricant, which does not attract problem-causing dust. It is not wise to use a petroleum-based lubricant, as this will leave a residue and can attract unwanted dust. Spray the lubricant liberally into all strikers on both hinged and sliding doors. Then move the lock back and forth to work the lubricant in. Repeat as necessary.